All right, to all my homies out there trying to clean your cars up, get some of this shit right here. Trust me. Off the chain. I haven't done the whole car yet because I just like to buy shit and wanted to see how it worked. So what I did was half of the trunk yesterday. And if you look at it, see how that's sheeting down? This is the side that I did. Coated it with ceramic. Fall right off. This side, not treated. This side, treated. So if y'all want to know if the homie tested this stuff out, then trust me, this shit work. I think it was like $20 on eBay. It's all different kinds of it. Just follow the directions. This week, doing the whole car. Definitely recommend it.